So, good day, trainees.
Good day, sir.
So, my name is Jay Bosano. I learn TESDA assessor. This is my ID for TESDA qualification. So, let's check muna ng attendance. So, Mr. Jason Lumantag. Mr. Astiles. So, yung hawak nyo ngayon is admission slip. So, yung i-signet mo na, i-signet mo. So, tapos na. So, for your attendance sheet.
Sa side ko.
Yes. So, do you have a prepared to learn speaking English?
Tagalog din siya.
So, ako na mga dahil.
Yes, sir. Pwede, sir.
Introduce muna natin yung institutional assessment. Si Mr. John Taguso. Next is si Miguel de Vera. So, ako yung TESDA assessor. So, ang i-discuss natin sa conduct competency assessment o CCA. So, ang agenda natin is so, our vision and mission. So, rules and regulation natin, attendance, dress code, time management, avoid disturbance of workplace. So, i-discuss natin yung 10 CBTC principle. So, one is training-based, competency standard, and competency-based curriculum. Next is learning competency-based or modular instruction. So, next is training delivered is individualized result-based. So, pang-apat is based on work that must be performed. 5 is training materials are directly related to competency standard and the curriculum. Pang-6 is assessment learning based on the collection of evidence of work performance. So, 7, training includes both on of the job components. 8, the system allows for recognition of prior learning. 9 is the system allows for learning to enter reflexive program at different times and levels. 10 is approved training programs are nationally recognized. So, competency-based training. So, dito tayo muna magsisimula. So, sa mga tulad nyo, training is dito muna kayo mag-enter. So, next yung gagawin na step is training, select competency, receive. Yung mag-attendance kayo, yan. Next is discussion nga, ito. Yung mga learning package. Yung yan. Next tapos so, after nyo mag-discuss, so, paano magkakaroon tayo ng mga practical competence. So, yun na yun. Then, sunod is, after nyo mag-practical is, may isa yung may papasa at may hindi papasa. Yung mga papasa is, pwede na siyang tumuloy. So, yung mga hindi makakapasa is may iwan. O, pwede naman siya mag-tuloy. So, the rule of training facilitator, competency assessor, training design and developer, training supervisor. So, the rule of training, so sa inyo yun, active learning, self-directed standards, so job-related standard, flexibility and individualized learning, dual training system, continuous learning, training involvement in problem development. So, for qualification, ito na yung sa akin, electrical institution and maintenance or tinatawag natin na institute. So, sa mga basic competence natin, participant sa inyo. Ito na yun. So, ang gagawin na nga natin is, yung kanina, ito, yun, sa CBTC layout, so tayo na po tayo. Nilibot ko kayo sa mga practice area. So, unahan natin dito yung conventional learning laboratory, computer laboratory, quality control area. Next is training resources center, learning resources area, distant learning area, support service area. So, pumunta po tayo. So, ang gagawin na po natin is magpa-practical po tayo. So, sunod na. So, ang unang muna natin is, ito ang tinatawag natin, practical learning area. So, mauna po natin si Mr. Asilis. So, wala po yan. So, Mr. Aslitinis, so, ang galing po naman gawa nyo is lahat po tama, napagkano po lahat ng components at okay naman lahat. Okay, salamat. So, Mr. Jason Dumandan, ito na po sila. So, wait, Mr. Dumandan. So, ang nangyayari is nagkakaroon ka ng pagkakamali sa pagkalagay mo ng mga wiring, lalo na sa mga pagtusok mo dito sa mga component. So, pwede na natin ituloy na ito mga. So, balik na po tayo. So, may bibigay po ako sa inyo na provide feedback. O, tinatawag natin sa feedback. So, okay na po. So, i-announce natin kung sino yung nakapasa atin din. So, ang unang nakapasa sa atin is si Mr. Ashley. So, bibigyan ka ng certificate of completion. So, thank you, Mr. Ashley. Pwede na po kayo. So, Mr. Jason Dumandan po, ito po ang yung bumagsak. So, nakausapin po sa Mr. Jason Dumandan. So, okay lang naman po na kahit bumagsak ka yun, guys, pwede ka pa naman mag-take ulit. So, pwede ka naman bumalik. After nito, pwede ka ulit mag-try. So, huwag kang pangunahan doon. Yan lang.
Sige, sir.